This video I just wanted to share introducing 3 BIM uses and quickly creating a plumbing scope and then creating a document, a contract document from that. So that's what we did. It's a 3-minute video and you'll learn how to do that quickly using templates. So you'll end up with, we scroll to the bottom of here, a nicely formatted scope document with all of the information requirements for each of the BIM uses, for example, for handover. The first thing is the benefit of using templates. So if you have done this before and you have a template or a project that you've worked on before, you can simply pick that project, choose which milestones, and these are the BIM uses. So if we are wanting to have a budget estimate from the model, we're going to use it for coordination and for handover. These are 3 BIM uses out of that project that we will bring in, along with all of the team's information requirements, checklists, attachments, notes. And now simply by dragging and dropping the plumbing scope into our project from our template, we have, let me close it up, I can open this up, we have now, wow, everything that is required for those 3 milestones, the budget estimate, the coordination, and the handover. We can simply go in and define the dates that we are going to require these, so that we have the date for that specific milestone. We can see when we are and what requirements from a parameters perspective, so which information requirements are on each of these elements for handover. And we can see all of that information all been brought in from that one drag and drop. So I could do the same thing with the rest of it. And then, as I shared yesterday, was documenting that. So we can now add the scope to that document. And I'm going to call this the scope. So let's print the whole document with the plan and the scope. And it will print us a PDF and it will archive the PDF. And I can unlock that if I wanted to share that link with everyone else. But let's take a look at that document. And we've got the whole now document. So we've got our BIM execution plan with even the teams. So these teams were created automatically when I brought that scope in. And let me scroll all the way down so we can see the scope. Here we go. So this is our scope that we've brought in, and we even have all of the requirements, so attachments and checklists, and also if we had all of the information requirements for each of those phases. So here we've got handover requirements that were checked off as part of that. So really quick to drag and drop and create a scope, and then create a document from that you can share and filter, obviously, for the teams and the milestones that you want to. So whichever project team, they would much rather get a filtered scope rather than having the whole scope as one. Hopefully that's useful. Let us know what you think.